The HYLONE Ergonomic Mesh Chair is designed with versatility in mind, making it suitable for a wide range of environments such as offices, homes, and studios. This chair provides tailored support for your head, back, hips, and arms, ensuring comfort during long hours of sitting, especially for individuals between 5 feet 5 inches and 6 feet 2 inches tall. Its breathable mesh fabric promotes airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the day, which is particularly beneficial for extended periods of sitting. The chair is equipped with smooth rolling casters and a stable 5-star base, ensuring easy mobility across different flooring types like tile, wood, and carpet. Assembly is straightforward, typically taking about 30 minutes, and the HYLONE team is committed to customer satisfaction with a responsive support service. The chair features adjustable components such as seat height, backrest, and flip-up arms, allowing users to customize their seating experience to meet their specific needs.